Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I again came with an product review and here goes my product. Let me unbox this first. And the product is from Vista Facial Steamer. It comes with 3-in-1 steam vaporizer and here it's been written as its MRP is 999 rupees, but I got this for only 321 rupees on Amazon. In the top of the box it's been written to use only tap water and a small disclaimer, color might be varying and price also might be varying. Friends, it comes with a 3 attachment head where you can easily fix it off and you can use for inhaling purpose or for facial purpose. This is the first head where you can fix your nose over here. And this is the second head. Heading forward, I'm gonna give a small demo also, so please do watch till end of my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, friends. Now I filled water up to the mark. There is an indication where you can fill the water up to that. Then fix the cap. You just need to tilt like this. And even the wire is long enough and quality is also good enough. Now I'm gonna plug into my socket. The best part is that within few seconds it gonna start boiling. It is so fast. Now let me show you the first attachment. This is the attachment of nose. Let me remove this and fix this first attachment. It is well designed such that it will fit to our nose. You can easily inhale the steam such that if you have any cough or cold or running nose. Let me move towards second head. Just you need to fix it off like this and you can hold this and you can take the steam wherever you want as such. It boils the water so fast and gives you a good result. And this is the last head. You can just fix it off like this by pressing the upper head. Then with covering to the towel, you can take a full steamer to your face such that you can take a full face steam. According to me, this product is best because of its price and quality also. If you guys want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. Thank you so much, friends.